Look what somebody left for me at the shark cage dumpster. That's from one of the trucks. I think we can get away with leaving that in. Do I really want to mess with that motor that much? And that little bit of that's going to shred. So let's see, let's just get this motor off here. What do you say? I think we can just do this. There we go. That's the motor. And there's that low-grade board. Which wasn't worth that much effort. Clippers. Need my clippers. I might get these because I don't think I have any large cable. I think it's all going to be smaller stuff. And these tend to work better on these smaller wires. All right, let's see. Board is there, so I think I just need to get that plate off of there. Loose enough. Oh, wait a minute, let's check you real quick. Yeah, you're not magnetic. I should have brought a little bin with me. A little something to throw the non-magnetic stuff in. Oh well. Oh well. Look at that, we got a hard drive too. Cool. And a RAM. Okay, that's going to be those guys. And I'm guessing there's a screw there. That's going to be a bit of a challenge, but maybe we can get it a different way. Okay, there's another screw. If at first you don't succeed, give it a whack. That's a nice board, look at that. Get that metal off there. Yeah, lots of gold connectors, jumpers, flat pack, ICs. That's a nice mid-grade board there. Okay. Now we gotta get those guys. Not exactly the right tool, but it'll do. Or I wonder if I can get this panel off. No, that doesn't want to work. You ready to come out yet? Oh no, I got that one still down here. That's right, I forgot about you. There we go, malcontent. Yeah, that's a nice board there. Very nice board. Look at that, we got gold corner BGAs, big old flat packs, some oscillators, a socket mounted IC. Let's see, are you a PROM, EPROM? No, you're just a IC. And a RAM. Wow, that's sweet. All right, now, how much more? Let's see if there's anything behind that. Yes, there is. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Dummy. All right, who is holding up the show here? Did we miss a screw somewhere, or is it these cables? Oh, I see what it is. I see what it is. It's these things here, these little plastic snaps. Let's see if we can defeat you this way. Alright, maybe we'll just cut you. Cut that one. And that one. There we go. Alright, there's another nice board. More flat packs and ICs. Got some nice big resistors. Those might have the gold caps that folks have been talking about lately. MOSFET. Cool. Let's see about that motor. At a certain point, it's not worth going after everything. Yeah, I got you guys all upside down and everything. Sorry about that. So that was that motor. I don't see a screw holding that in place. Are you a motor? No, you're a capacitor. Oh, then I'm not that worried about you. Yeah, you're just cap. All right, let's see about get that low grade off of there. Here, get ready to go upside down again. And another one of these plastic standoffs. Come on, you. Come at it from a different angle. Maybe that'll help. There we go. Okay, low grade. Bunch of wire here. And I'm not going to be that worried about getting all of it. Hello, cat. Yeah, we got another little low-grade power board here. Looks like that may be all plastic standoffs. There we go. Nice toroid. Toroid. You get through there, and you get through there. There's wire. You're gonna go out with the shred. All right. What else do we got here? Some more wire. Some more wire. I'm missing a screw somewhere. There we go. What do you think? Stainless? Let's see. Nope. Not at all. Now you guys can all go. Let's just go ahead and get this wire off of here. That's good enough there. That's good enough there. And you're good enough there. Okay. Now then. Let's see how blazingly difficult that's going to be. Maybe we'll be lucky. Maybe it'll be a board that pulls out like this, like a tray. Was that like awesome or what? There we go. And another fan. Another low grade. Okay. Yeah, see, these guys don't like to work on these runs of thin wire. Not as well as the other ones do. Right. No more paper. We got the boards. Let's get rid of you. I think we are now fine to bring the rest of this in as shred. So let's get the boards and tools out of the way. We even got a hard drive out of it. That's pretty awesome. Some good boards, you know, they're all mid-grade. One of them looked like it might get away with perif. Maybe a couple of them would be perif if I was going to board sort. And let's see if this 4x4 is going to help me out here. I think I need my heavier gloves. These guys are great for small tactile kind of work, but when you're talking about the sharp edges that are associated with a lot of this kind of metal, they can cut right through that. Get a little bit further back, maybe. And the problem is the casters are also rolling on the wood. All right, look out. Hey, how did you get there? What up? Hurry up and green thing. Must have cleared his tests. Ugh. They're letting him load. Okay, so you don't want to be these guys. They're here picking through their stuff. You know, instead of having everything sorted before they get here, I've been sitting here now for probably 15 minutes. They're picking through their stuff. I'm surprised Willie didn't tell them to, you know, pull out and go sort your stuff, because this is just rude. You know, it's rude, it's inconsiderate. Sort your stuff before you get to the yard, because, you know, you're just holding everybody up. All right, that's enough of my rant.